Came out on the boat to do some fishing today. It started raining, so we're hiding under the hard top here. I got Captain Aiden over here driving the boat down upstream here to a fishing spot where we can anchor in the rain and just chill out and stay in the cabin. Got the first mate James here. Marcel and Sebastian out here working hard in the rain. He's kind of liking it.
We're at 15 foot right now.
Is there water in that?
I just fell. Fish.
No, that's debris on there. That could be a fish or a log. Future updates here, fishing on the 14th during the day. And we went out last night and got some big ones, so we're going to see how it goes today. Sebastian got a big one on second one. We didn't have the camera last time. We got the camera this time.
Holy crap!
I can't see it.
Oh, dang, he went right back there.
Let him come to the net. Let him come to the net. That's a big cat.
He's the same one.
Getting out of the rain. Let's see what you got.
Congrats, Sebastian.
I caught the one you caught twin. Same size.
What do you think, Sebastian? Had a good one?
Felt like a carp.
Awesome.
Felt like a carp, I believe it's
Raining and catching cats.
That's the same size. That's the same size.
Thanks for staying dry.
All of the Ohio Valley's best music. What's up, Portsmouth?
Nice cat. We're in the rain. Let's see what he's got. It's supposed to be a good day fishing. We'll see.
It's so dark. Yeah, there he is.
Another good one. He's in. Good catch, James. Sebastian got one on again. We got a pause in the rain.
Not that big. Oh, that ain't very big.
It's a nice little cat.
Yeah.
Congratulations,
yeah.
Sebastian.
We got a bobber up high. We got a shad down low.
In my whole
Oh, then I've got four.
And we got lots of pulls out.
Don't hold his butt at us. I don't want to eat crap on me. Already had one.
We got this on the drift. Just slowly, lazy downriver. He's pulling pretty good.
Is he a good monster?
I don't know when I get on the back deck.
Oh, he's going to the propeller.
I know, that's why I'm coming back here. He's trying to cut my line. I'm trying to bring him around. So
Oh, is he a guard?
I can't see yet.
Yeah.
Dang it.
He's fighting a little.
He's coming up. I'm trying to keep him out of the motor. They like the motors.
Yeah, for the snap line. Ooh.
He's fighting hard though.
He might be a big boy. Hopefully it's a 20-pounder.
Come here.
No, wait, I'll bring him right to your net.
If it's a 20-pounder, man, you're gonna fight him
You
for
don't
a
have him
minute.
up yet.
I'm gonna wait until he's near the surface so I can put my net in.
God, man, no, he ain't up yet.
He was at the bottom then.
He's not that big. He's just fighting.
Oh, I see him. Oh, nice.
Oh, yeah, he's a good size.
That's a blue one.
Put your net in the water. Put your net in the water. Put it down in the water, and I'll bring him right into it.
Dang, he's about to get a 15.
Come here. Got him.
No, about to get a 10.
That's a blue one. It's a blue one.
It's a 10.
Right there.
Can't look
It's
at
a
his teeth.
10-pounder.
He's smiling.
It's about a 10-pounder.
They're all hitting good today.
Yes, sir.
Ow! I almost gave myself the split.
What do you think of that one?
It's good. It's blue.
Go around you.
Aiden got one.
Swing him towards me. And you're gonna
A good sized catter.
You don't want to scoop the cat. You'll keep your line, and this will break your line.
Scaredy cat.
Right here, I just tripped over it. It's a stick. You got a stick fish.
Felt like a, okay.
That just cost me my.
Okay,
Okay, here, you get him.
got a fish on.
Kasha. Kasha's got a big one coming in.
Okay, Mommy got a nice one. You see what's happening, Aiden?
And I gotta get you
I
a
let it
pole.
take it and I weighed it.
And then you broke a pole. She got a blue one. That's a big one. I got one. Whoa! Ow! Woo!
Just let him get a fish. I got it.
Not
I
that.
saw
It's
Aiden, good job. All right.
I saw it.
Where's the net?
Aiden's coming on YouTube.
I didn't see it.
Roxy?
Damn. We'll see. We'll see.
We better stop here. We're in a good fishing hole.
Roxy, stop. Oh, that's a good. That's a. Got more cat.
Another one.
Scoop him up.
Is this the same spot you guys did it the other day, I think? Good job, Aiden. You gonna smile for camera?
He doesn't like this.
It was
This is
It was
Aiden's fish is 3 pounds.
8 ounces.
All right, that's a nice one. Hey, nice day on the Ohio River, having fun fishing, catching a big one, and looks like we're catching another storm.
You got another bait out.
Right there. I already worked on him. That's our house right there. Look at that. Clouds nice, kind of look, and terrifying.
Don't rain.
So fast. Yeah, pretty.
Hard to miss. They freaking. Hey guys, night fishing August 14th on the Ohio River, right by the sewer. Got this big old flathead, shovelhead. He's a monster. We gotta weigh him up here. You can see how big his belly is. He's got. We're gonna measure him up and get him in the water again so he doesn't die, but he might not make it. We'll see.
Babe, back up.
Where's my measuring stick?
You got flat face.
In the boat.
What kind is this one?
You gotta get that tool.
Where at in the boat?
I don't know.
You want to open up his mouth?
Yeah, let me see how this guy look. I never seen one of those.
Fighting him would be amazing.
Oh, you don't.
Nice mouth.
You don't even know.
Okay, we're gonna measure and weigh him.
Go and catch
See
this
it.
thing right here.
Okay.
And he's actually got teeth that hurt.
Yes, we just record those.
Let's see if I can get him on the lip here. Ow, I know you're biting me.
Okay. Don't move.
Hey, he's not as heavy as I thought. 8.5 pounds.
He's 8.5?
He's 8 years old.
8 and 1.
And
Huh? We gotta measure him.
Kilos? Oh, you got it on kilos, dude. Okay, do that again.
I'm not even stopping. I'm just gonna do it both.
17.87 pounds.
18 pounds. That's pretty good. Okay, baby. We gotta measure him. We gotta measure it.
This is what we're taking. Yeah, we're taking. He said we can use it. I gotta clean it.
Here, hold his tail out there, guys.
I don't hold the tail.
We can straighten him out. Pull that down to you.
What are you doing in the water?
Because it's easier to straighten them out. Straighten them out, though. You on the end?
No.
Now I'm on the end.
He's moving his tail.
That's okay. He's 32. Give or take an inch.
Okay.
So 18 pound, 32 inch flathead on. What was he on? Shad? Shad in the sinker right offshore, 10 feet offshore.
Can I use your tote?
Are we riding in a boat in the dark on land? Is it fun or what?
I'm tired. I'm not
Is it fun? Woo!
My shadow's bigger than yours.
Nice stroll in a boat on the street. That's fun, Roxy.
Hello.